Zack's LS1. How's it feel right now?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. This is honestly pretty nerve-wracking, especially with a new build. You never know what's gonna happen. I did leave the keys with Sydney, so if we do break down, we're golden. First drive, here we go. Oh God, it's doing.
Oh fuck.
Shut off on you. Gotta be in neutral. Oh. There we go. There we go. The one to die again?
Yeah.
Nope, yes.
Come on.
Give it A.
I am.
Oh, came back alive? Oh,
Did it really? Please tell me it didn't run out of gas.
It died. I hope it starts back up. It's gonna be a long push. Give it gas. This is just like the Camaro. Round 2, here we go. What are you doing? It's super hot in here, by the way. I don't know if it ran out of gas and started right back up. I put some gas in the gas can. We'll see how it works. Last time you let off the gas, it died. That second gear, boy! There's third! We're cruising, son! How's it feel? It's hot as hell in here!
I don't know, it feels pretty good over here.
I bet you feel good over there. It honestly feels pretty good. Feels pretty good. Makes me want to drive mine. We're gonna go ahead and put some gas in it. We're chilling at 181. Everything's looking good. Hopefully it doesn't pull for us, you know what I'm saying? I saw a small leak over there by Zack. Power steering fluid.
Yeah. From the looks of it.
Yep, it smells like power steering. Zack, I can barely see you. Will you go do it for the YouTube? Can you see the flames? What was that? Oh no!
Spicy too.
It's more like it's super rich.
Exactly.
Guys, I can just smell gas in here. Put it back in first. You sure you tightened up the fuel thingy back there?
Back there?
Yeah. I hope so, because it smells so bad. So, the gas smell? Yeah, it got wet. I don't know what from.
Did we put Teflon tape on this side of the 6AN fitting though?
I don't know. We gotta just go through all the steps again, you know? Yeah. We might even just get a fuel tank grommet or gasket thingy, because that's awful. Like, oh my God, he did one pull or what? And I thought it was dying, guys. I thought it was dying.
Well, it started when I let off, going down.
Yeah, you kind of got on it, and then you let off, and the car probably sloshed. But man, was that so strong. All right, fast forward into tomorrow. Hey guys, hey, what does that say, 3.8? Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Nobody's gonna know.
No one's gonna know. But right now, once he's done with that, we're gonna go take this out again. The gas smell, so I don't know, it's like over full. It stinks super bad, okay, not gonna lie. But I'm gonna go ahead and wipe mine down. I have not wiped mine down in so long, it's so gross. You guys can see right there, I'm trying to wipe it down right now. See that? Do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe mine down, get mine cleaned up for the track tomorrow. I think my welds are gonna be just fine. I don't think they're gonna say anything about them. So that's just fine by me. And I might grab some paint if I, you know, I don't know, go to Walmart, grab some black spray paint and just start painting. This red's honestly gross. And I don't know. We'll see what else this video is gonna be entailing. I know I want my harness installed tonight because I really want that for the track. So I'll just pick the camera back up once I know Zach's all good to go and he wants gapped. All right, sound good? Hey, you want gapped?
I'm not getting gapped.
You're gonna get gapped by.
I'm gonna take you to Gapplebee's and get you the full meal.
Full meal.
Yeah.
You can't even afford the meal. Okay? You can't even afford the meal.
Want bet?
Yeah.
Who has the newer Mustang?
Who's got the newer engine? Mine from an 04.
Who has the more expensive engine?
Okay, like expensive in what way? Like you buying yours?
These are Facebook. These are off Facebook Marketplace. They're $2,500 on Facebook Marketplace.
Okay, that's if you can find. Okay, you found this in a Camaro. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, think about this. The Camaro is worth $200, so the engine is worth $200. You are a duck. You know that? You are a literal duck. And just like that, she's kind of pretty. She's all cleaned up. I just gotta wipe down the windows, but that'll be just fine. Now, what I really want to do is hook up my harness back there and get this turn signal, and just this thing keeps falling down on me. I just need to tidy this whole thing up and get this thing race ready.
Monkey.
Alright, so while I was getting this wing, looks pretty good. While I was doing that,
Oh, hey. Howdy. Just your neighborhood race car driver here with this 4-point harness from Amazon. It's just feeling well, and this whole car is pretty much Amazon. And if I start the thing, look at that. The gas gauge finally moves again. That's cool beans. But yeah, you know, race car stuff, RPM Act, and the government just wants to shut us down. So, yeah. Harness, roll cage, and yeah. It's just America's in here, okay? Nothing much other things going on here, but America's. Well, pretty much the Thursday night prep for Friday's race. We might do a little bit tomorrow as just wiping everything down, making everything look pretty. But man, Zack, get out of the shot. Look at that ducktail. Get out. You're in the shots, man. Man, look at that. But then the old actual race car, the actual one that actually goes fast, is right here, looking all pretty. Got that harness in. Now I just need to get some seats that don't look as stock. I mean, I kind of want it to look stock because just a little stock 4-cylinder. You know, from the 90s that made 80 horsepower, am I right?
and a V6.
And a little V6 starter kit, you know what I'm saying? You got a Cobra wing, steelies on the rear to make you look like you're fast. So, hey, to each their own. But guys, this thing's ready. Tomorrow is a big day. We're going to the track, so I gotta. That thing is. I hope it's ready. I hope it doesn't leak anymore. But it starts at 8, so I'll start filming. Just wait for. I want to say it's gonna be up Saturday, so hopefully you guys like this video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new, and we'll see you at the track. Peace out.